Hello, this is Elaine and I'm going to show you how to make this Valentine's Day card. I use the Painted with Love Specialty Designer Series paper that's in the New Occasions catalog, and each piece of paper has this gorgeous gold foil. Makes it so pretty and shiny. Lovely, lovely paper. So I cut the hearts out of the paper, and then I am going to show you the stamp set. It's the Sure Do Love You stamp set that's in the Occasions catalog and coordinates with the Lots to Love Box Framelits, and those cut out the Sure Do Love You and the hearts and these hearts as well, and inside this heart. And there's also a box die that I've shown in a previous video, some things that I've been making with that, so you'll want to go and check that out as well on my Facebook page and Facebook group. The other coordinating item are these gold foil stickers. So you get 2 sheets, 2 designs. There's a whole bunch of lovely different hearts and designs on them. And then this page has 2 as well, and it has this really pretty love on there that you could do for a card. So we're going to use a couple of the hearts. But first I'm going to start by stamping the base of the card with the conversation hearts kind of diagonally across the card. So I'll do 3 of those. It's kind of fun, they're different sizes. And then I'll do 3 of those. And then we'll do 3 of this size as well. Let's see, where can we fit the other one? Right there. And then we'll add some stickers. So we'll pick like a large sticker, put it up here maybe. And then we'll pick a small sticker, put it over here. And then a medium sticker we'll get from this piece. And we'll put it over here, okay? And then I've already pre-cut the 2 hearts with the Sweet and Sassy framelits that are in the annual catalog. So I will place those down with snail adhesive. And then I'm just gonna put some adhesive this way, and I'm going to use the tinsel trim that's part of this suite as well. And then I can just kind of stick it where I put this adhesive back and forth, and it just kind of holds it in place with me, for me, so I'm not fussing with it so much. And I can trim that off. Okay, so now I can add this to my card base. So I'll just put some snail all around. And then the last step is to stamp this heart that goes in the middle. So it's a fun process. I'm gonna start with the Melon Mambo ink, and you can do this 2 ways. So you can stamp with the Melon Mambo, and then you can rock and roll in the rich raspberry, and that's when you kind of roll it around. Or if you're afraid to do that, you could just take a sponge dauber, and then you can more precisely put the ink and the intensity of the ink around. So if you only want it to go around, you can, or if you wanted to do something in the middle, you could. So using a sponge dauber is really fun to do it. So I can just stamp that, and then it creates this fun 2-toned heart. So you got the rich raspberry on the outside and the Melon Mambo on the inside. And then you can cut that out with the Lots to Love Box Framelits, and you'll get this heart right here, the magic of TV, right? And get some dimensionals, and I'll just put one on the very top in the very bottom so I can try to avoid the twine in the middle there. And then I'll peel the backs off. And then I can place that right in the middle. And then you've got your finished Valentine card. And each one will be different, which is fun because you can do the heart differently with the colors, and because the paper differs, the heart on the paper will be different, but both beautiful cards. So if you like this card and want to make it, you can go to my website, eStampin.com, and click on the shop link, and you can purchase the products to make this card, the Painted with Love Designer Series paper, the Sure Do Love You stamp set, and the gold foil stickers, as well as powder pink, melon mambo, and rich raspberry ink, and the bundle, so you get the dies and the sweet and sassy hearts dies, framelit dies. And when you purchase the bundle and some of the other items in this suite, because it is celebration, if you spend $50, you will get a free product. So you can get the free Party Pandas stamp to create cute cards with him, or the Sweet Soiree Memories and More card pack, and other stamp sets like the Lots of Lavender stamp set. And you can see all these items, the free items, on my website. So go check it out, and thanks for watching, and hope you have a happy Valentine's Day.